climb back that way to get back up on the trail. Just because I wanted to see and get closer to Angel Falls. There's no signs saying I couldn't, but I know you're not supposed to. But it seems like other people have been here. Not the right thing to do, but how are you supposed to see this if you're way up there? There's a platform and you can't see anything at all. The Park Service needs to do a little bit better job. But this can be dangerous, so please be careful if you do come to this area. It is beautiful.